Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the pulley cover shield on your Whirlpool washer. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation brands, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new pulley cover shield for your Whirlpool washer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The pulley cover shield is responsible for covering the moving drive belt and pulleys. This is to avoid anything getting caught and damaging the washer. For this repair, disconnect power and water to the washer. Careful, for the washer is heavy, you may need assistance laying it down. Flip the washer onto its front on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. Using a 5/16 nut driver, remove the two mounting screws and remove the pulley cover. If you need to purchase a new pulley cover shield, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the pulley cover to the washer and reinstall the screws. Next, flip the washer back upright. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.